Hola. I'm going to show you the most effective way I found to train the quads using leg extensions. So give this a shot. I believe you'll leap bound results. It's ridiculous. So technically 2 different exercises all in one, right? One same spot. I prefer single leg, but in this leg extension, it doesn't feel quite right. So let me show you the first part. Target top upper quad, hip flexor region, okay? So for example, the radio machine, this goes back up to here. These 3-4 inches, big freaking difference in the results and range of motion of that region for contraction and control and development, focus and whatnot. So anyways, let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No matter where your feet are facing, make sure they're flexed. People kick them out like that. Don't feel like it's the best way to engage. Little kisses, okay? Hold. Just pump them out a few. Make sure your ass is not coming out of the chair. I'm gonna go a little heavier. And then I'm gonna do the second part. Hopefully this gives me more views, you know? Because maybe the videos are too long. You're like, fuck watching the whole hour, you know? Yeah. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really drive that shit and squeeze. Oh, it's intense. I'm gonna just finish this set and then I'm gonna finish the other and do the other part, just to, you know, save time and hand instead of having to do what I would normally do is about easily around 6 to 8 sets and then 6 to 8 sets of the following exercise or the rest of the exercise. Okay, pump it up. Flexing is a good way to engage, to go harder, heavier on the next set, and to make sure you're not using momentum. Holy shit. Okay. Second part. Okay, so let's say after you do 8 sets of that, right? Listen to your body. Now we're going to the top half. Let's do this shit. Oh, fuck. No wonder I'm feeling a little breezy. No wonder I'm feeling a little breezy. Here we go. Top half. And it looks something like this. Start right here. You know where you normally would end in your first part of the exercise? Let's push up. 1, 2, 5, 6. Pull out. 2, 5, 8, 9. Oh, jeez. Holy moly. Let's go heavier. Do one last set of that, and I think you guys are smart enough to get the point. Trust me, do these, watch your quads transform fraction of the fucking time. Especially if you're somebody who goes to the gym often. Or let alone you train quads twice a week type individual. Holy shit. And there comes the godliness. and the goddessness. Let's get up and let's begin. 1, 2, 3. One more. Get the 2, 3, 4. Holy. One more. Finish this set real quick and then cut the video short or whatever. Yeah. Please subscribe. Trying to go live. See how that works. And who knows, maybe this short stuff is better. I don't know, I'm just trying to get people to believe in me and to support me. That way we can team up and, become godly together. I love you all. I love this world. I love my life. I love my sons, Kingston and Apollo. Oh, I love the universe. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. Please try this shit. Change your life. It's freaking amazing. Okay, I love you. Subscribe. Thank you very much.